a lot of blackberries.
Get off my nose.
What did you say, Tommy Brook?
I said, get off my nose!
Sorry about that. Blackberry? Ah!
Ah. Peter Rabbit! Come back here! Where'd you go?
It's so clean, Mopsy. And so shiny, Flopsy. Mother will be so happy. And even happier when she sees the scarf we're knitting her.
Yes!
Watch the floor!
Oh! Ah! God, stop! God, drop them! Ah! Blackberries!
Oh! Yay! Berries!
Blackberries. What a treat. Thank you, Peter.
But look at our clean floor. What was our clean floor?
That is a mess. But thank you, girls. I'm sure it was very clean.
And shiny. Don't forget shiny.
Well, since you all worked so hard, why don't I make your favourite mixed berry pie?
Mixed berry pie? Really? Thanks, Mum.
Wow! Thanks, Mom!
Yay, pie!
Let's see. Blackberries, strawberries. Oh, I don't have any gooseberries.
I'll go and get some.
Ah! Mother! He did it again!
Sorry about that.
It's not fair. We worked all morning cleaning that floor. But all Mother cares about are the berries. How hard could it have been for Peter to get some silly blackberries? Not hard at all. So how hard can it be to get some gooseberries?